What's up, everyone? Trent here again at Precision Transmission, and we've got Kansas in the house today. This guy brought his truck all the way from Kansas to come get us to put a transmission in his vehicle. I don't know how many times it's been built before, but this thing has no reverse, no park, no first, second, third. Well, actually, I think it has forward. You can put it in drive and it'll move. If you put it in third, it quits moving. Second, it won't move. First, so forth. So I really don't know what happened to this thing. Looks like we've got a couple of things that we might be addressing to the customer. One, the pinion nut might be backing off, which is allowing our pinion seal to leak. We gotta look at that once we get the drive shaft out. But also, man, y'all guys that weld these exhausts straight up to the headers, killing me. And why wouldn't you go with a 3-inch pipe? You know, I understand you gotta do what you gotta do, but come on. But we'll get this thing out. I mean, I'm not talking crap, but just is what it is. Make it a little bit easier for somebody to work on it and help yourself out at the same time. But we'll get this thing out, and can't wait to take the pan off and see what's in that bad boy. I feel like there's gonna be a surprise in there for us. So y'all guys stay tuned. We'll get back with y'all shortly. Okay, I hope y'all are ready for this. I didn't pour the fluid out of the pan when I took it down. That's all it had in it, was a pan full. These should take a little bit more than that, or have a little bit more than that in them. When I pull the bolts off of this thing, it should drain out tremendously, and it didn't. All it had was a pan full. As you can see though, this thing is not gonna be good. That looks like a drop of metal, of aluminum, and you can see it is everywhere. So let's pour our pan out and see what it looks like. I really don't think y'all guys are ready for this. This is gonna be bad. Okay, you're all ready? Oh my gosh. Woo! That's not good. That is not good. This thing is destroyed. Oh, they're racing. Man, everybody thinks they got to race at the light. Wow, that is crazy. As y'all can see, looks like we've got some, oh, almost dripped on the phone. Some brass in there. Also, looks like we got a little planetary. This thing didn't have park, reverse, neutral. I think it had forward, put in third, didn't have that, didn't have second or first. So I could only imagine what this is gonna look like. I mean, it's dripping metal. Not dripping fluid, dripping metal. So y'all gotta stay tuned. Got our exhaust cut off. About to get our cross member out. Got some torque converter bolts to take care of. And we'll have this thing out on the table, have a tear down. So y'all guys stay tuned for this one. This is gonna be a serious build. Success it is. We have our 4L60E transmission out. Our flywheel off, or actually flex plate, sorry. Got our rear main seal, looks like might be leaking. Probably gonna replace it. Change the rear cover gasket behind that plate as well, just to make sure. We've got us a factory style converter. Looks like it's been replaced once before, or rebuilt one time. with who they are, but looks factory at most. No fluid in our connector. But let me tell you, this thing is blown up. I don't know what he did, but there is no more. Pretty much the guts to this transmission are in the bottom of the pan. So get ready for the teardown, because it's gonna be pretty crazy. Probably a lot of carnage. Hopefully we can get this thing apart and back together. Might have to use another transmission to get him back on the road, but Kansas will get you back on the road, sir. So y'all gotta stay tuned. Teardown coming y'all's way shortly. If y'all need anything in Precision Transmission, y'all give us a shout. Y'all have a great day.